with Ahmad.
Would you like to come India?
Yes.
One for the lady and one for the baby.
Oh yeah. That's why.
Arjun Cell Company Group. We are. अच्छा लग रहा है भाई काम करके भी. गुड मॉर्निंग गाइज एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल. और आज अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ वापस पालावान अल्लीडो. सीबू में मेरा 4 दिन और 4 दिन के बाद अब मुझे वापस जाना है. और सबसे पहले मुझे करानी है करेंसी एक्सचेंज. बिल्कुल पास में ही है, वहाँ से करेंसी एक्सचेंज कर लेते हैं क्योंकि पालावान में दिक्कत है. करेंसी एक्सचेंज वहाँ पे अगर होती भी है तो रेट ज़्यादा होती है, इसीलिए बेस्ट है कि आप यहीं से करा लो. यहाँ सबसे फेमस है पालावान पॉन स्टोर. हेलो हाय, आई वांट टू एक्सचेंज USD टू फिलिपिन पेसो.
Very short.
100 note.
Sir, you don't accept folded.
I asking yesterday and he say yes.
We accept, but we don't accept bills that are folded.
You don't need full note. Oh, but in the purse always the note
Yeah,
folds.
but we don't accept.
Oh,
Just try and find it.
thank you.
Thank you.
भाई ये तो बोल रहे हैं कि नोट फोल्ड किया हुआ नहीं होना चाहिए, मनी ट्रांसफ़र करने का काम है. तो ये बोलते हैं मुझे सीधे नोट चाहिए. ओके, तो मनी एक्सचेंज को ही देखना पड़ेगा कुछ. वो पालावान है शॉप, यहाँ मनी एक्सचेंज होता है. आई थिंक पूछ लेते हैं. वैसे ये बहुत है, पालावान पॉन शॉप ये वेरी फेमस होता है यहाँ पे, काफ़ी मिलेगा आपको.
वैसे तो पालावान पॉन शॉप सबसे अच्छा सर्विस देता है, लेकिन मैंने मेरी फ्रेंड से ही मनी एक्सचेंज करवा लिए थे.
गुड मॉर्निंग, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग.
Morning.
हाय टीटा, हेलो. Yeah, today is my flight. So finally I'm going.
Can I go with you on your flight?
Yeah, come on, yeah, sure. But I'm going to Palawan, not in India.
Can I go?
Hello. Hi, all of you.
I love you too.
Finally, I'm going. After the 4 days, nice experience with all of you.
Yes.
It's really, yeah, same to you. Because I think this is good. You know, you go there, Palawan.
No,
No?
we don't have enough money to go there.
Oh, then you have to do work more and save the money and go there. Oh, really, it's nice.
Of course.
Or better if you have a boyfriend, so he can take you.
Better if we have no boyfriend, just a friend.
Okay, that's good.
Benefits.
You very, very hardworking. I can help you.
I can help you.
Yes,
Labs, di ko labs.
I will. You take this video. I will. Because I'm also like a family. Yes. Come on. Where? Yes. Okay. More. Have more. Straight. Like this. Yeah. अच्छा लग रहा है भाई काम करके भी. Because this is like a family.
Yes.
You can help there. You can help there.
Kung ikaw
Hold.
kupot, ikay kupot.
Hold and then.
Ikaw diha.
And you can say anything through Indian.
Hi, I'm Jenny from Jamsi. I'm Argentine. Labs, this is the secretary. Yes. And this is the honor. Wait, go na sa.
Tell me, do you like this?
I'd like to travel in the Palawan with Ahmad. Ahmad Faraj. Okay, hi guys. What do you like to do? Do you like to travel?
Yeah, I like.
What?
You like to come India?
Do you
Yes.
Why?
India is beautiful.
Yeah, I
Indian
know.
people is also good like Filipino people. Yeah, we are same. I think.
And I like to go India so that we meet another people, Indian people. So
Because we know that they are kind and humble.
yeah, you. Do you like to go China? China.
Yeah, it's okay.
India.
No, so you come in my country. I invited you.
So-
You come my city. I will take care of.
Anytime.
Yes, anytime. Come in my country. I will take care of you. Yes, I will explore and all the things. Yes.
Okay, thank you for your saying. Thank you for your.
Thank you for invitation.
Yes. This is like Bahubali. Bahubali is a very famous movie. So guys, बस अब ये आज ये लास्ट है मेरा यहाँ पे. थोड़ी देर बाद मैं चला जाऊँगा. Hi to all people and bye bye. और मैं सोच रहा हूँ कुछ एक आध आइटम लेके जाऊँ मैं, क्योंकि ये बहुत एंटीक है यार, इंडिया में तो मिलते ही नहीं है. This one is good. Okay.
Come back there.
Come back in Philippines? Yes, I will come back. I will sure come back because people are really nice and I really like you all people.
Dapat Christmas.
Christmas time is good? Okay, I will think about this again in the future. I will try to.
My
Malaysia.
brother is Dubai.
Dubai, yes.
Dubai.
Okay. Hello, brother. Finally, I'm going. Going now, yeah. Going to Palawan. Palawan, yeah. El Nido. Nice to meet you. My flight time is on 12:30.
Today.
12:30 today. No problem. We go 11 maybe. 11 go here.
Happy
Oh.
trip.
Yeah. Thank you. So what is this?
Sabay ko na ni squats.
One pork or beef
Squash.
or like squash?
Oh.
Okay. Not chicken. Fish.
Eat.
No.
Dikit siya pa. Ato siya pa.
I eat chicken. So यहाँ कॉफ़ी बनाना बहुत आसान है. पूरा पैकेट मिक्स करो और बन गई कॉफ़ी. शक्कर वक्कर सब मिक्स होती है. You like this? This? You like? Taste. This is not for me. This is for all you. I bring all for you.
Sarap.
Taste this.
Sarap.
Like a sarap. Oh, India. Its name is Sohan Papadi. Sohan Papadi. Sohan Papadi. Yes, Sohan Papadi name. Like? Like not peanuts. It's
Dili siya kayo.
all the dry fruits mix here. You can see this is dry
Masarap,
mix.
sir,
and-
masarap.
Yeah. It's a desert.
Understand
in India.
masarap, sir? Understand masarap?
Masala means
You, oo. Understand you, masarap?
masala. I don't understand.
Ma'am.
I don't
Ipakilaw
understand.
mo niya, ma'am.
Masarap.
Masarap.
So guys, this is my birthday cake. We cut and now I'm distribute to all the people. So मैं भी ये सबको बांटेंगे इस केक को because of birthday. मेरा बर्थडे वैसे तो था 2 तारीख को, लेकिन हमने यहीं पे सेलिब्रेट कर दिया पहले ही. So it's his birthday. My birthday. That's why
Happy birthday.
I have a cake. All of you can take one by one. This is the best birthday of me because I celebrate with all of people, with lot of people and with Filipino people. Oh, she's pregnant.
हाँ प्रेग्नेंट
You want two? One for baby.
For baby.
One for baby in the process. I gave two. I gave two to her because one for the lady and one for the baby.
Oh yeah. That's why. Hey, we have a baby.
You have a baby,
Joke.
but you can give two because you are a really good friend of me and you also.
So thank you.
And I have another one. You. केक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो गया है और बहुत अच्छा लगा यार. I mean, इस तरह का बर्थडे मैंने कभी ज़िंदगी में नहीं सोचा. But yeah, this was the food. I distribute all of the people. और अब सबसे लास्ट में मैं खा लेता हूँ. मैंने अभी तक खाया नहीं था. ये यम्मी. So guys, इन 4 दिनों में मैंने यहाँ जो प्यार पाया है वो आज तक मेरे लाइफ का सबसे अच्छे दिन है अभी तक एज सो फार. मतलब इस मेरी ट्रैवल जर्नी की वजह से मेरे जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो और अच्छे से अच्छा होता जा रहा है. जब मैं थाईलैंड में था तब मुझे लगा ये मेरा सबसे बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस है. उसके बाद जब मैं इंडोनेशिया गया तब और हुआ और आज फिलीपींस में तो सुपर्ब रियली. सो गाइज, दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द ट्रैवलिंग. इफ़ यू ट्रैवलिंग you can experience the best experience in the life and you will be happy forever. Yes. और इस वक्त को मैं कभी नहीं भूल पाऊंगा. रियली मैं ज़िंदगी भर याद रखूंगा और मैं बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ. All the people really nice. So guys, this is Margin Cell Company Group. We are all are my friend and yes, I am going to the photo shoot. Like here.
Nice one.
Nice one.
No, go for the Eiffel. Wow.
I will send in messenger. I will.
Yeah.
And so guys, मैंने बहुत कुछ ले लिया यहाँ से बिकॉज इतना सब कुछ लिया है मैंने फैमिली के लिए और बहुत अच्छे अच्छे आइटम हैं. एंड यू कैन सी द पंकू वर्ल्ड और की चैन. और अब फाइनली हम जा रहे हैं. ये मुझे ड्रॉप करेंगे एयरपोर्ट पे और फिर मैं जाऊँगा पालावान के लिए. सो फाइनली द बाय बाय एंड आई रियली थैंकफुल टू यू ऑल ऑफ यू. यू आर रियली दिस इज़ द बेस्ट डे ऑफ माई लाइफ. दिस 4 days in the Cebu. Yes, that's good. I'm really thankful to you. Are so amazing and so nice people. I mean, in Philippines and your worker also. You have a very good, talented job. Very talented business you have, and wow, it's amazing. I have no words. Okay. So really, thank you. And I invited you to in India. Soon, you come with your family.
We will go there.
I will there. My family welcomes you.
Yeah, soon we will go there. I have to talk to my sister.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
For coming also.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
और अगर आप कोई होलसेलर है या कुछ नया बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं तो ये एंटीक आइटम आप इंडिया में बेचकर बहुत अच्छा खासा पैसा बना सकते हो. नीचे दिए गए ईमेल पे आप उनसे संपर्क कर सकते हो अगर बिजनेस इंक्वायरी हो तो ही.
Here is my bag. और भाई अब मैं रियली इसमें मेरा ऑलरेडी करीब 12-12.5 किलो है ही है और ये मैंने और ले लिए कम से कम 1 किलो तो इसका भी है. अब मैंने थोड़ा सा रिस्क लिया है क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता. मेरे पास वज़न अब बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत ज़्यादा वज़न है और मुझे बहुत सारी फ़्लाइटें पकड़नी है इस टूर में. बट मैं ये चांस मिस नहीं करना चाहता था इसीलिए मैंने ये सब आइटम भी लिए हैं. अब देखो क्या होता है.
Thank you for coming.
Oh.
So that's surprising.
Yeah, really.
I've never expected it.
I also never expected how you welcome me, how your family welcome me, and the very friendly. We all are like a family. So I'm really thankful to you. for your all family. That's why I'm really sad to go. That oh no, oh my God, I have only 4 days here, but this is the best of my life, and I have to go. That's why I'm going. Otherwise. So
Just message with your Palawan app.
yes, I will message you.
That you
Okay.
arrived already.
Yes, yes. Bye bye to all your family, Kilian and Christian, and bye. Guys, if you like the video, please press the bell icon, subscribe the channel and like the video. मिलता हूँ अगले वीडियो वापस. तब तक के लिए bye bye, take care, and happy birthday to me. You have to write. Okay, bye. मैं अभी तक 10 फ्लाइटें पकड़ी है मैंने और मुझे एक बार भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई, लेकिन इस बार भाई नहीं चला, क्योंकि हर बार किस्मत साथ थोड़ी देती है. इसका मतलब है कि मेरा चेक इन हुआ है. पुएर्तो प्रिंसेसा.